how to log in or sign up to Coinomi wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign up to Coinomi wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. In order to log in or sign up to Coinimi wallet, you can simply get the Coinimi crypto wallet on your Play Store or App Store and install it. Once you do so, you want to open it up and you'll get the option to either create a new wallet or restore a wallet. If you already have an account, you can tap on restore a wallet and you want to enter in your recovery code here. Then you can tap on next and go ahead and log in. However, if you haven't yet created a wallet, tap on create a new wallet and then you want to enter in the password. Choose how you want to protect your wallet in every day. You can either choose least secure or you can choose most secure and then tap on next and then go ahead and you can select the coins that you wish to add to your wallet. So I'll just tap on Bitcoin and then tap on plus icon here. It'll give you the confirmation here. Tap on agree, and as you can see here, the wallet has been created yet. I've not yet added anything here. If you tap on plus icon, you'll find add coins, add tokens, tap browser, scan QR or connect wallet. You can use the QR option. This is how you can easily log in or sign up to Coinimi wallet. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.